We're going to look at a skill that I think is really important to learn on the guitar and should really be something that you try and get your head around as soon as possible. This is to be aware of where the root notes are in licks and melodies that you're learning to play. So in today's lesson I have 4 different licks for you in the A major scale. And I'm basing these licks around this first 1 octave shape that most people learn. So here's the scale. And here is lick number 1. Now in this example the root note is on string 6 fret 5 here. In fact the very first note of the scale. So why this is important for me to learn this is if I like this lick and I want to use it in my everyday soloing vocabulary, I can move it to different keys. So for example, let's say I want to move it to the key of C. I simply count up the string A, B, C, and I move the whole shape. And here's my lick in C. Or if I want to play in G, move the shape down, start on a G note. And there you have it. Okay, lick number 2 sounds like this. So in this example, the root note for our lick is on string 4 fret 7. In fact, the octave note of the scale. So here's the lick one more time. So this is a good one because it shows you that you don't always have to start your licks on the bottom note of the scale. You can indeed start in the middle or the top of the scale. Again, if I want to move this one to, let's say, the key of D, I'm going to have to count up and I go, right, here was my A notes, A, B, C, D, and then I play my lick, of course with exactly the same shape and fingering. And it's moved. Lick number 3 sounds like this. So in this instance the root note is on string 6 fret 5. So let's say I want to play that lick in the key of B. I simply count up A to B at fret 7 on string 6 and I put my hand in the same shape and position and I play the lick. Lick 4 sounds something like this. Okay, again, the root note for this lick is on string 6 fret 5. That's my A root note. So if I want to move this to the key of E, again I count along the string A, B, C, D, E, play exactly the same shape and spacing, and my lick should be in the key of E like this. So a good way to learn this would be, when you practice your scales, would be to play the root notes in the scale first.